Imagine cruising down the open road, the gentle purr of an electric motor propelling you forward. The world around you blurs, yet you remain serene, cocooned in the luxurious embrace of a vehicle that harmonizes cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. This is the future that BMW envisions, and they're leaving no stone unturned in their pursuit of electric excellence. But will their bold ambitions pay off? Can they captivate the hearts and minds of consumers in an all-electric vehicle market that's cooling down? And what exactly is this Neue Klasse that promises to change the game? Buckle up, for we're about to embark on an electrifying journey through BMW's plans to dominate the EV landscape. For over a century, BMW has stood as a beacon of automotive innovation and uncompromising quality. From humble beginnings as an aircraft engineer manufacturer in the early 20th century, this Bavarian powerhouse has carved a path of excellence, crafting vehicles that seamlessly blend performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It was in the 1960s that BMW truly cemented its reputation as a purveyor of driving pleasure with the introduction of the iconic 2002 model. This compact sports sedan ignited a passion for performance that would become the brand's hallmark, setting the stage for future legends like the M3 and the M5 series. The M3 in particular became an icon in its own right, with its high-revving inline-six engines, precise handling, and razor-sharp reflexes, earning it a cult following among driving enthusiasts worldwide. As the decades progressed, BMW continued to push boundaries, delivering groundbreaking engineering feats that redefined what was possible in the automotive realm. The game-changing i8 hybrid sports car, for instance, showcased BMW's ability to blend electrification with breathtaking performance and avant-garde design. Its striking gull-wing doors and futuristic styling turned heads wherever it went, while its innovative plug-in hybrid powertrain delivered blistering acceleration and remarkable efficiency. Not content to rest on its laurels, BMW further cemented its status as a pioneer in sustainable mobility with the revolutionary i3. This cutting-edge electric city car introduced the world to the concept of a premium, purpose-built electric vehicle, boasting a lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic construction and a futuristic yet functional design. The i3 proved that electric vehicles could be both environmentally conscious and immensely enjoyable to drive, paving the way for BMW's continued leadership in the EV space. As the world transitions towards a more sustainable future, BMW has recognized the need to adapt and evolve, embracing the electric revolution while staying true to its core values of performance, luxury, and innovation. The company has set an ambitious goal. By 2030, half of their global production will consist of fully electric vehicles. This bold commitment is a testament to BMW's unwavering dedication to meeting the demands of an environmentally conscious consumer base, while maintaining their position as a leader in the premium automotive segment. While the overall electric vehicle market may be experiencing a cooling period, BMW's sales figures in the EV space have remained strong. Consumers have embraced the brand's electrified offerings, drawn to their distinctive blend of luxury, performance, and sustainability. From the sleek and sporty i4 sedan to the spacious and versatile iX SUV, BMW's current EV lineup caters to a wide range of preferences and lifestyles, delivering the driving pleasure and premium experience that have become synonymous with the BMW name. However, the true game-changer on the horizon is the highly anticipated Neue Klasse, set to make its debut in 2025. This innovative platform promises to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with electric vehicles, delivering a seamless and connected driving experience unlike anything we've seen before. At the heart of the Neue Klasse will be a cutting-edge electric drivetrain, featuring advanced lithium-ion battery packs with energy densities and charging capabilities that will shatter existing benchmarks. Early reports suggest that these batteries could offer up 30% more range than current EV batteries, with the ability to charge from 10 to 80% in as little as 20 minutes using the latest ultra-fast charging technology. This unprecedented combination of range and charging speed will effectively eliminate the range anxiety that has historically plagued electric vehicles, making long-distance travel a breeze. But the Neue Klasse's innovations extend far beyond its powertrain. This platform will feature cutting-edge technologies that blur the lines between automotive engineering and digital innovation. Imagine a vehicle that not only charges itself, but also has the capability to power your home during peak energy demand periods. This bi-directional charging system, combined with advanced vehicle-to-home technology, will transform your BMW into an integral part of your sustainable lifestyle, seamlessly integrating with your smart home ecosystem. The interior of the Neue Klasse vehicles will be a sanctuary of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Premium materials like sustainably sourced wood and leather will be complemented by intuitive digital interfaces and advanced infotainment systems, providing an immersive and personalized experience for every occupant. And with an array of intelligent driver assistance features, these vehicles will usher in a new era of safety and convenience, further blurring the lines between human and machine. Under the sleek aerodynamic exterior, the Neue Klasse will feature advanced electric motors and inverters, delivering exhilarating acceleration and precise handling that will satisfy even the most discerning driving enthusiasts. Early prototypes have reportedly achieved 0 to 60 miles per hour times in the low 3-second range, rivaling the performance of some of the world's most exotic supercars. And with the advanced chassis technologies like adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, these vehicles will offer an unparalleled combination of agility and comfort, ensuring that every journey is a true driving experience. Throughout its storied history, BMW has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive realm. From the iconic BMW 3 Series, which redefined the sports sedan segment, to the groundbreaking i3, innovation has been the brand's lifeblood. And now with the Neue Klasse, BMW is poised once again to rewrite the rulebook, setting a new standard for what an electric vehicle can be. And when it comes to pricing, BMW has always struck a delicate balance between luxury and accessibility. While their vehicles may command a premium, they offer a range of models to cater to diverse budgets. The upcoming Neue Klasse models are expected to start around $60,000 for the entry-level variants, positioning BMW as a leader in the premium electric vehicle segment while remaining within reach for many discerning buyers. However, for those seeking the ultimate in performance and luxury, the Neue Klasse lineup will likely offer higher-end models that could potentially approach six-figure price tags. These range-topping variants are rumored to feature even more advanced battery technologies, bespoke interior appointments, and performance figures that could rival some of the most prestigious high-performance vehicles on the market today. Regardless of the price point, one thing is certain: the Neue Klasse will represent the pinnacle of BMW's engineering prowess, blending cutting-edge technology with the brand's unwavering commitment to driving pleasure and uncompromising quality. From the meticulously crafted interiors to the precision engineering powertrains, every aspect of these vehicles will be a testament to BMW's relentless pursuit of perfection. And while the Neue Klasse will undoubtedly be the star of the show, BMW's electrification efforts extend far beyond this single platform. The company is also working on expanding its lineup of plug-in hybrid models, offering consumers a transitional path towards full electrification. These vehicles will combine the efficiency and environmental benefits of electric propulsion with the flexibility and range of a traditional internal combustion engine, catering to those who may not yet be ready to make the leap to a fully electric vehicle. Additionally, BMW is investing heavily in the development of sustainable manufacturing processes and supply chains, ensuring that their electric vehicles are not only environmentally friendly on the road, but also throughout their entire life cycle. From the responsible sourcing of raw materials to the implementation of renewable energy sources in their production facilities, BMW is taking a holistic approach to sustainability, solidifying their position as a leader in the global effort to combat climate change. As we approach the final stretch of our journey, it's clear that BMW's commitment to electric vehicles is more than just a passing trend. It's a strategic vision that will shape the future of mobility, blending the cutting-edge technology with the timeless values in craftsmanship and performance that have defined the brand for decades. With the Neue Klasse, BMW is poised to redefine what it means to drive an electric vehicle, captivating the hearts and minds of consumers with a seamless fusion of luxury, sustainability, and exhilarating performance. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this electrifying adventure as we witness BMW's relentless pursuit of electric excellence unfold before our very eyes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.